She was a sight to behold, or at least she had been once. Now she languished under a dusty tarp, a faded memory of her former glory. The iconic kidney grille, a signature of the BMW lineage, was barely recognizable through years of accumulated grime. Rust had eaten into her once lustrous paintwork, the passage of time evident in every crack and crevice. But beneath the decay, a spark remained, a whisper of the power and elegance that had defined the BMW II series. It was a challenge, no doubt. This was more than a restoration, it was a resurrection. The initial inspection was a solemn affair. Each dent, each patch of rust, told a story of neglect. Years of dust and grime had obscured the interior, but the faint scent of aged leather hinted at the luxury that once resided within. The engine bay, once a marvel of German engineering, was now a jumble of wires and rusted components. It was a daunting sight, a testament to the relentless march of time. But for those with a discerning eye, it was a treasure trove of potential waiting to be unearthed. The air crackled with anticipation as the tarp was finally pulled back, revealing the car in its entirety. It was a moment of truth, a confrontation with the scale of the task at hand. But amidst the rust and decay, there was a glimmer of hope. The iconic lines of the BMW II were still there, waiting to be brought back to life. This was not just a car, it was a piece of history, a testament to a bygone era of automotive excellence. And it was about to get a new lease on life. We carefully transported the car to the workshop, the journey marking the beginning of its transformation. The restoration wouldn't be easy, but the promise of hearing that engine roar once more fueled our determination. This was more than just metal and machinery, it was about preserving a legacy. It was about breathing life back into a legend, and it all started with that first hopeful glance at a diamond in the rough.